साबिक वज़ीर आला BS येड्यूरप्पा पर बदअनवानी, करप्शन व धांधलियों के बड़े केसेस हैं। हाल ही में एक और नया मामला सामने आया है जिसमें साबिक वज़ीर आला येड्यूरप्पा पर यह इल्ज़ाम आयद किया गया है कि उन्होंने तकरीबन 116 एकड़ ज़मीन को कानून की धज्जियां उड़ाकर प्राइवेट प्लेयर्स को दी हैं। इस सिलसिले में कोलार ज़िला के KC राजन्ना की जानिब से एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो में केस दाखिल किया गया है। इस ताल्लुक़ से बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं मारूफ लॉयर S उमापति। बताइए सर, ये क्या केस है जो बदअनवानी या फिर करप्शन की बात है, क्या तफसील है?
Yeah, this is a case of deep corruption and fraud committed by then the Chief Minister B.S. Yeddyurappa. It is came to through the documents that when B.S. Yeddyurappa was the Chief Minister, a private entity called Chess Center for Education and Social Studies. People say that is a RSS background institution, but we don't know much about it. But they make an application directly to the Chief Minister instead of submitting online application to the KIDB and Commerce and Industry Department, and make an application before the committee, high-powered committee. This is the high-powered committee should decide whether they are entitled for land allotment or not. But here in this case, on 25/3/2021, they make a direct application of B.S. Yeddyurappa seeking for 130 acres of land in KIDB area, that too near Bengaluru International Airport Authority. And B.S. Yeddyurappa, on their letterhead, gives a recommendation to place it before the cabinet for their approval. And for this purpose, the government holds a special meeting to allot the land. And the government has also, the Additional Chief Secretary, then the Additional Chief Mr. Rajkumar Khatri, recommended to allot the land of 116.16 acres of land at the rate of 1.61 crores per acre. 1.61 crores per acre, which means for 116.16 acres, it comes to 187 crore. Even 187 crores, the government has not accepted. Mr. Yeddyurappa has given the approval only for 50 crore, ignoring the public interest. Hence, we have obtained all the documents under Right to Information Act, and Mr. KC Rajanna has given the complaint to the ACB. To the ACB has received the complaint with the hope that they are given the hope that it will be registered soon. FIR will be registered soon after conducting the preliminary inquiry.
सर, ये मार्केट वैल्यू क्या था? What was the market value? Because you say 1.61 crores.
See, 1.67 crore is only the acquisition cost by the KIDBA. That means the compensation that is paid to the farmers. It is not the guidance value, not even the market value. The market value here there in KIDB area near Devnalli Airport means around 5 crore per acre. It comes to 5 crore means more than it comes to 600 crore for entire 116 acres of land. So there is a huge loss to the public. It's a public money, and the KDB is also put into loss. Even they are not getting the acquisition cost, what they have given to the farmer, that is also not given. So there is a special privilege given to this private entity in the name of establishing the private university. I think as per our indications, the family members and close friends of B.S. Yeddyurappa and also some corporations are funded this project, because Chess, the private entity, has no financial background, not even any experience in conducting the educational institution. So how can they run the university?
सर, ये जब भी बात होती है कि 100+ एकर्स हैं, तो गवर्नमेंट से एक्वायर करने का, एक्विजिशन करने का कोई प्रोसीजर होता है। आपको लगता है कि ये जो अलॉट किया गया है, येड्यूरप्पा ने अपनी कैबिनेट में मीटिंग बुलाई, गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर भी रिलीज हो चुका है, और ये पूरा सिर्फ 1 महीने में हुआ है, तो ये सारा प्रोसीजर फॉलो किया गया है?
No, see, beginning there is no procedure at all followed by the Chess University. The application by online should have been made to Commerce and Industry Department, Udyoga Mitra, and there the proposal will be placed before the high-level committee, state high-level committee. There they will have to consider the project cost, what is the production, what is the number of employment they are giving, all this will be considered. And there are number of industrial owners waiting for the allotment of land for the last 1 year. But this application has been considered bypassing this mandatory procedure. Hence, no procedure have been followed by B.S. Yeddyurappa or even the Chess University, and government have held the special meeting only for this purpose. So there is a deep nexus, which can be only unlawful activity, which can be only brought through the proper investigation by the ACB.
सर ये जो है अभी ये जो KIADB है जो कि इंडस्ट्रियल डेवलपमेंट बॉडी है, ये जो एप्लीकेशन आया है जो अलॉट की गई है यूनिवर्सिटी को अलॉट की गई है, जबकि ये KIADB इंडस्ट्रीज है, यानी इट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी अलॉटेड फॉर द इंडस्ट्रियल पर्पसेस, बट हाउ कम दिस वाज गिवन टू यूनिवर्सिटी?
That is the thing. See, as on the date of allotment 26/4/2021, there is no university in the name of chess. UGC guidelines clearly says that for establishment of the university, 25 acres of land is sufficient, 25 to 30 acres. But why the 130 acres they have made an application, and why the government has accepted 116 crores? When 25 acres is more than sufficient for an university, so the purpose is something else, not the establishment of the university. And moreover, as per the KIADB Act, the land should be allotted only for industry or industrial purpose, then namely some civic community site or some education purpose, that's all, not for the establishment. So the motive is differently to make a KIADB as a real estate agent. It is using the KIADB as a real estate agent. So allotment of land to the university is prohibited, and even 116 acres is not at all justified.
सर एक अहम सवाल इस ताल्लुक से, अभी नाउ यू हैव सबमिटेड दिस कंप्लेंट विद द ACB, इट हैज़ ऑल्सो बीन रजिस्टर्ड नाउ. ये ACB एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो स्टेट की होम मिनिस्ट्री के तहत आता है. Yeddyurappa being an ex-chief minister and the government being BJP, do you think that the justice could be seen? ये मुमकिन है कि इंसाफ मिलेगा?
Yeah, this is the reason why we met the top officials of the ACB today. Since the person's complaint against is none other than the ex-chief minister, the investigation has to be entrusted to higher rank officials of the IPS rank, and with the fair investigation. For that, they have assured, even though the ACB now is on the track because of the continuous raids and other exposure of the frauds, we are hopeful of getting enough justice. If not, we have a remedy, legal remedy to approach the special court or the honorable high court in the interest of justice.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. ये थे एडवोकेट एस उमापति, जिन्होंने BS येदियुरप्पा पर कंप्लेंट दर्ज किया है एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो में. साबिक वज़ीर आला BS येदियुरप्पा पर ये पहला इल्ज़ाम नहीं, बल्कि कई इस तरह के इल्ज़ामात हैं. कई केसेस हाई कोर्ट्स में, हत्ता कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी चल रहे हैं, जिनमें मुबैना तौर पर साबिक वज़ीर आला BS येदियुरप्पा ने सैकड़ों एकड़ ज़मीनें कानून को बालाए ताख रखकर अलॉट की थी. अब इस मामले में एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो में केस दर्ज किया गया है. देखना यह होगा कि क्या ACB होम मिनिस्ट्री के तहत सही तौर पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके इस मामले का हल निकाल पाएगी, या फिर स्पेशल कोर्ट का दरवाज़ा खटखटाया जाएगा. रफ़ीक जब्बार, ETV भारत.